In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a video using its public link. If you want to send a video to someone quickly and easily, using the share option is usually the best method. It gives you a direct link to the video that you can paste into a message, an email, or even a social media post, depending on where you want to share it. This is especially useful when you do not want to download the file or transfer it manually. To begin, open the video you want to share. Make sure the video is fully loaded and that you are on the correct page or screen where the playback controls and sharing options are available. Taking a moment to confirm you have the right video can save time and avoid sending the wrong content by mistake. Once the video is open, look for the share button and click it. In many apps and platforms, this button is easy to recognize and may appear near the video title, underneath the player, or in a menu represented by an icon. After you click share, a small window or menu will usually appear with different ways to share the video. From there, copy the public link. This is the web address that gives other people access to the video. On some platforms, you may see a button labeled copy link, while on others, the link may appear in a text box that you can highlight and copy manually. If the link is public, anyone with that link should be able to view the video, so it is a good idea to double check that the sharing settings match your intention before sending it. After the link has been copied, you can send it wherever you need. Paste it into a message if you are sharing it directly with one person. Place it in an email if you want to include more context or details, or post it on social media if the goal is broader visibility. Just tap or click into the text field, paste the link, and send your message as usual. That's all there is to it. Open the video, click share, copy the public link, and send it through the platform of your choice. It's a simple process, but once you know where to look, it becomes one of the fastest ways to share video content clearly and efficiently.